healthcare. No.
Hello, how are you? This morning it's raining outside, so I decided to do something with my laptop. Um, a lot of people don't know how to replace a main battery on a Lenovo, so I decided to show you how to do it. It should be easy, uh, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, something like that. I don't know. So the most important thing is to have the right tools to do it. Because if you don't have the tools, it's hard to open it. So this is the Lenovo Yoga 13 IdeaPad 13-inch Ultrabook. It's quite old, but it works really well. The only thing, the battery only lasts like 20 minutes, I think, something like that. So I'm gonna decide to have the battery that I'm gonna use to replace it with 1, 2, 3. All right. So we're gonna power off the computer. I think that's the best thing to do. So I'm gonna do that. Shut down. And should be okay. Eh. All right. Come on, shut it down. Shut down. Okay. This is it. Orange. All right. So we're gonna remove the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna remove them all, and they use Torx type of screw. So I have the tool to remove it, and because I'm stupid, I forgot to check which number I need. T9, T6. I forgot already. Anyway, no big deal. One of these is gonna work. Let's remove it. It's too tight. I'm trying to remove it, but with my hand, it's not working. These things. So let me try with this one here. And I guess this is the wrong one. T6, T3. There we go. Let's try this one. Okay, here we go. This is the one. T6. So we stick it in here, and we're gonna remove the screws. So no big deal. Everything is perfect. Take the screws. Maybe you should put it somewhere that you're not gonna lose them. Well, I'm gonna put them right here on the table. And gee. All right. Now, don't get nervous. We'll get it. Oh, the screws are coming out really well. Almost finished. Remember, you gotta have the right tool. T6 Torx for this. T6. You can buy this tool in I don't know, Home Depot. Maybe sometimes they have it. Sometimes they don't have it. You may have to go to I don't know, eBay. They have it. Maybe those Chinese tools. You're not gonna use them a lot, so even if they're not that great, they're good enough. You can get them on eBay or Amazon. I don't know. All right, so this is it. I took all the screws. So still alive. So we just gotta pry it open. All right, pry it open, pry it open, pry it open. What do I have here? Oh, whatever. Everything is fine. It's gonna come up. It's gonna come up. So we gotta replay. Oh, gee, I forgot. We gotta remove the keyboard. All right. We gotta remove the keyboard first. You see? So I'll do it. We gotta remove the keyboard. I forgot. We gotta remove the keyboard. So we're gonna use this freaking knife to do the job, to remove the keyboard, okay? Forget it. All the pieces just came out. No big deal. The keys, what is it? The speaker, it's all right. You don't need it. So we just keep pulling on this thing. We're gonna remove the keyboard. Okay. This is the keyboard. Easy to remove. I lost one of the keys, but it's all right. Just put a little piece of stick. So that. All right, we got the keyboard out. We're gonna put it right here. So now, you see what we have? Nothing. So we're gonna remove the. What do we remove? I don't know. I remember there were screws somewhere. What we got? It's a little hard to open. I don't know why. Should be easy. It's not. Look how easy it is to open this. I don't even need tools anymore. All right, almost there. Almost done. Don't worry about it. Everything is fine. Oh, here we go. This is the, what is it? The battery. So now we got the battery. Got to unplug it, but it has more screws. Is it the same thing? What did I do with the tool? I guess it fell on the floor. I don't know what happened to the tool anymore. Don't worry about it. That's why I have this tool to remove the screw. Let's see. It's not working right. We got more tools. Let's see. This thing is driving me nuts. Don't worry about it. I know what I'm doing. Yes, we gotta remove the battery, okay? That's the main thing. How are you gonna replace the battery if you don't remove the old one? Just remember to unplug the battery, okay? Jesus. Harder than I thought. That was easy. There we go. Battery out. So what's the big deal? We just get a new battery. There it is, brand new battery. We stick it in here. Backwards. Just put this thing back. Perfect. Now we get the keyboard. Remember, the keyboard goes like this. You see? There we go. Close everything. And this, with this, you close it. And then you put the screws. Okay, so what happened? Something happened. I don't know what happened. Something is not letting me put the keyboard back. Where is the? Now that I'm looking, where is this? Where is the? Oh boy, that's the problem right here. Jesus, I almost broke the table. Oh well, it happens. So we removed the. This was preventing me from installing the battery. All right, so this is it. We just close it. Put the screws back in there. If not, just put tape. You don't even have to put screws. Just put tape, duct tape around it, and it will be good to go. All right, so Lenovo IdeaPad 13 battery replacement, and have fun. I did myself a good video for everybody to look at, so they know what to do when they have to replace the battery of this thing. Like I said, no big deal, right? So enjoy it. Have a great day, and see you soon for the next video. Bye-bye.